Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that mathematical operator for list objects, right? So the last discussed concept is a mathematical operator for list objects. So how we can do mathematical operator for list objects by using two ways. One is a plus operator and second one is a star operator. That is nothing but concatenation operator and a repetition operator. So coming to concatenation operator means if you are adding two lists, both should be list type. Okay. If you are taking one list and one is string type, so we'll get error type error. Can concatenate only string type, not string to list. Okay. The second one is a repetition operator. Okay. If we want to repeat set of elements repeatedly, so then we should go for repetition operator. So in this case, one should be list type and the second one should be int type, and that one should be if represented in the form of base 10. So if we are crossing this limit, then we are going to get error saying type error. Okay, can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. Okay, we are going to get error saying can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. Okay, so today concept is comparing list objects. Okay, list objects comparing list objects. So how we can compare? Okay, how we can compare means by using relational operators. Okay, how we can compare by using a relational operator. Okay, first we can compare list objects by using two ways. First thing, double equal to operator. Okay, we can use comparison operator for list objects. Okay, first thing, we can use comparison operators for list objects. Okay, we can use comparison operator for list objects. See, first let me explain one example. I'm taking one list. Okay, I'm taking one list. Inside I'm taking some elements a comma b comma c comma c comma d. Okay, I'm taking one more element y is equal to same elements. Okay, first list and second list both are same. And if we coming to the third list, if I'm coming to the third list, I'm taking another one. Okay, so that is x comma y comma z comma I. Okay, I'm taking three lists. Okay, I'm taking three lists. So first observe the content what I'm doing. Print is equal to print of x double equal to y. Okay, x double equal to y. Next print x double equal to z. Okay, x double equal to z. Next print x not equal to z. X not equal to z. So normally double equal to operator is going to represent the content comparison. Okay, double equal to operator meant for content comparison. Okay, so in this case we are going to get first one as true, second one is false, again third one will be true. So now observe the output true false true. Okay, true false true, there is no any changes in the output, right? So this is first example for comparing list objects. Okay, so the second one will be whenever we are using comparison operators double equal and not equal to. Okay, we can use these objects for comparison of two lists. Okay, we can use, sorry, then whenever we are using comparison, whenever we are using comparison operators, whenever we are using comparison operators, double equal to comma, not equal to, for list objects, then following should be considered. Okay, then the following should be considered. Okay, then the following should be considered. That means, so whenever we are comparing the lists, okay, whenever we are comparing the list, so it's going to consider in the below format. So what is that means? Number of elements. Okay, the elements, number of elements. Second one is the order of elements, the order of elements, the order of elements, and the content of elements. Okay, the contents of elements, the contents of elements. That is case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive. Whenever we are using comparison operator, double equal to and not equal for list objects, then the following should be considered. Okay, if in this case only it is going to consider, if it is not there, it's going to give a false. Okay, it's going to give false. Okay, so, and one more point is a note, double equal to operator meant for content comparison. Okay, comparison content comparison, not equal to operator meant for reference comparison. Okay, for detailed description on difference between, so better to watch the previous video where I have explained that difference between double equal to operator and not equal to operator. So then you will get much clarity. Okay, how it is happening. So in this case, if I am taking x is y, means we will get false. Okay, this one and this one both are same content. Okay, observe here, I'm taking x is y. Okay, x is y, z is x, and is not. Okay, is not. Okay, is not. So observe here what happening. False, false, true. So why it is giving false? False means x and y both are having the same content. Okay, x and y both are having the same content, but is operator meant for at reference comparison. Okay, is operator meant for, sorry, is operator meant for reference comparison. Okay, that's why it is giving in, even though both are having the same content x and y, but they are pointing to the reference, means two different objects will be created here. So that's why in this case we are getting false as the output. Okay, in this case we are getting false as the output. False. Next, true. Clear, right? So whenever we are using comparison operator, so list is going, it is going to consider the below formats: number of elements, order of elements, and content of elements. Okay, if it is matched, then only it will give true, otherwise it is going to give false. Okay, so the next, whenever we are using relational operators between list objects, only first comparison will be performed. That means, so now observe here relational operators. Okay, relational operators. With respect to relational operators. Relational operators means less than, comma, less than or equal to, comma, greater than, comma, greater than or equal to. Okay. So whenever we are comparing list objects, whenever we are comparing list objects, so it is going to consider it is going to consider first comparison. First comparison will be performed. Okay, first it's going to consider first comparison will be performed. That means how? So what? How it is happening means observe the one example. That means see here what I am taking. Here I am taking some elements. Okay, 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40. Okay, y is equal to what I am taking here 10, comma 20, comma 30. Okay, 10, comma 20, comma 30 I am taking. Okay, 10, comma 20, comma 30 I am taking. So now observe here print x greater than y. Okay, print x greater than y. Next print x greater than or equal to y. X greater than or equal to y. Print next is x less than y. Next print x less than or equal to y. Okay, x less than or equal to y. So x greater than y means so up to here same, but here the fourth element is not available. So with respect to same result we will get here. With respect to same result we will get here. So observe here I have taken 4 elements, but here I have taken 3 elements. So let me give you the 4 elements same. Okay, so in that case first it is going to give x greater than y. X greater than y means all elements are same, so it is so there is no result. So that's why it's going to give first as observe false true false true. Okay, false true false true. That means all elements are same, but 10 greater than 10 means false. 10 greater than 10 means false. Okay, 10 greater than or equal to 10 means anyway greater than and equal. So that's why here false and true. Okay, false and true. So in the same way the next also it is happening the same. So the next thing is example 1. Example 2. So suppose here what I am doing, I'm removing the 40. Okay, I'm removing 40. So next thing false true I'm removing. So here I've taken 4 elements, but here I've taken 3 elements. See, observe the behavior now. True true false false. Okay, true true false false. That means see up to here 10 greater than 10. Okay, both are same. Here both are same. Here both are same. So here 40 and the next element is not there. So anyway 40 is greater than, if not there means it's going to consider 0. 40 greater than 0 true. Here true, and below is the false. Okay, true, true and false. True, true, false, false. Right? So this is the way it is going to consider. Right? So this is nothing but relational operators. Okay, this is nothing but relational operators. Suppose observe if I'm taking the strings. Okay, if I'm taking the strings, that means here I'm taking dog. I'm taking dog. Next here I'm taking a cat. Next here I'm taking rat. Okay. So in the same way here also I'm taking the same. But here I'm taking rat. Here I'm taking cat. Okay. In this case, if I will ask these all things means what is the behavior? Observe. Okay. What is the behavior? Observe. See, dog and dog both are same. Cat and rat both are different. Okay. First thing x greater than y, dog and dog both are same. So it is going to consider the next string. In the next string it is different. Okay. It is going to take the first character C and R. Okay. C and R both are not same. Okay. What is the ASCII value of C and what is the ASCII value of R? So if you consider from alphabetical order, first C will come, next R will come. So C greater than R. Okay, C greater than R means anyway it will be false. Okay, anyway it will be false. So that's why here we will get false. Next case also will be false. Automatically last one will be true. Okay, last one will be true. Clear? So how I'm explaining means I'm taking the string to string. So second string and a second string. Okay. So in that way, when strings are not the same, it's going to consider this character and this character. If this character is also same means it's going to consider the second character. Okay. Keep on, it is going to execute every character. So if it is different here and here means then it is going to check this third character. Okay, alphabetical order like. So that means in this way. So it is going to check order of C. So 99. So in this way order of C and order of R. Okay, order of C and 99 greater than 144. Okay, 99 greater than 144. False. So that's why here it will be false. So anyway greater than or equal to means false. Okay, less than means the same information means true. Okay, this is the way we will use relational operators. Okay, this is the way we will use relational operators. Right? So this is nothing but what? Comparison of list objects. Okay, comparing list objects by using comparison operators and relational operators. Okay, this is nothing but comparison list objects in Python. Okay, in the next session I'm going to explain about membership operators. Okay, in the next section I'm going to explain about membership operators. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.